Hey mathematicians! In this video, we are still working on finding the least common multiple. And now I'm going to start calling it LCM because you see that used a lot. So just to make sure you're familiar with the term, LCM means least common multiple, which you've already been doing. So step one is to actually get multiples in the first place. So the first one is going to be done for you, because each of those numbers times 1 is just going to be itself, right? So times 2, we've got 24. Times 3 is 36. Times 4 is 48. Times 5 is 60. Times 6 is 72. And I'm going to hope that's enough. Then when I do 20 times 1 is 20. So we're good there. 20 times 2 is 40. 60. Look, there is 60. So answer number 1 should be 60. For number 2, we're going to keep doing the same thing. So multiples, 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. So let's do the multiples of 20. 20 times 1 is obviously 20. 20 times 2 is 40. 20 times 3 is 60. Oh, wait. I can already stop because I have 1 in common. So problem number 2 is going to be 40. Number 3, 1 times 12 is 12. We've done these a million times. We all know. 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, and 84. Actually, we haven't gone into 8 before. Okay, now we've got 9 times. So 9 times 1 is 9. So that's your first multiple of 9. Then we've got 2 times 9, which is 18. 3 times 9, which is 27. 4 times 9, which is 36. Look at this. We have the least common multiple, which is 36, folks.